Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Dr. Felix, and in today's video we're going to go over a really simple exercise to stimulate your vagus nerve. Now the vagus nerve is a powerful parasympathetic nerve, so it's really excellent at bringing calm and just peacefulness to your body. So it can be done when you're feeling stress to prevent potential migraine from coming up, and it can also be done while you have a migraine just to help you calm down. Not saying that it's going to make the migraine completely go away, but it might just give you a bit of relief and just a bit of calmness, okay? So the exercise is really simple. All you're going to do is you're going to use the tip of your index fingers and you're going to put them in your ear canals. Now the vagus nerve has many points of attachment or connection, we could say, and in the head and neck area, a main one is the area in your ear that is where your ear canal is, and just a little bit behind that. So what we're going to do is very simply just massage that area, okay? And as we do that, we're also going to stimulate our vagus nerve that connects to the throat area by humming, okay? Just like a bumblebee, basically, okay? So index fingers in the ear canals, and very simply, it's just, you can do a circular massage, you can go backwards and forwards, and there's no limit of time on how long you can and should do that. So I just recommend you do it until you feel calm. So now close your eyes, and then as you massage your ears, you're going to turn your focus to your breath. Just pay attention to it. Don't change anything yet. And then just start lengthening your breath. Deeper inhales, deeper exhales. Just slowly breathing. And then after your next exhale, take a deep inhale. And then you're going to hum. So then inhale again, all the way up. And then exhale again. Now it also might feel better to just leave your fingers in there. You can also use your pinky fingers, if your indexes are too big. And if at any point it has the inverse effect and you're feeling stressed, anxious, or it's just not working, just stop doing it. Okay? So as simple as that, massaging ear canal, a bit behind the ear canal, and just simply hum as you do it. It's really going to help to bring a lot of calmness and peacefulness to your body. All right? I hope you feel better soon. Thanks for watching.